still be loving you. When mountains crumble to the sea, there will still be you and me.
For anybody in the audience who's got a birthday today, happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Alam mo ba, pag nilagay mo to sa YouTube o ano, baka masingil pa ako. May bayad yung happy birthday na yun. Pero dahil napaka-special mo sa isang kaibigan ko, binabati kita. Isang maligayang kaarawan at bihira akong kumanta ako. Sana mas marami pang blessings ang dumating sa iyo.
Happy birthday. Hope you have a great birthday. Wish you good health and enjoy your birthday. Take care always.
Happy birthday. Sana magbibigay ka sa iyong kaarawan. Kaya at wala ka dyan. Pero I hope magkita tayo someday. God bless you, my power. I love you.
Thank you. Happy birthday. I hope you're having fun on your special day, and I hope all your wishes can come true in the next few years. Happy birthday.
And I wish you all the best, of course. Your birthday, dapat masaya lang. Happy birthday.
Ariel, I just want to greet you happy birthday. Wishing you all the best. Have the happiest of birthdays. May this year be just as exciting, but more fruitful, because we are here in a fruitless restaurant. More fruitful and just more meaningful for you.
Happy birthday. God bless.
This is a fellow Australian just greeting you a happy birthday. Wonderful day, and that everyone around you is making it a very special day for you. Full of surprises, full of food, full of good news, full of everything positive. Happy birthday.
I just wanted to greet you a very happy birthday. Wish you all the best.
Happy birthday!
You look good. You look cuter than I thought.
You're beautiful.
The Force is with him.
As long as you bring up age, how old are you?
Hakuna Matata!
There never was, and there never will be another like you.
You make me want to be a better man.
You complete me.
You complete me.
You had me at hello.
I freaking worship you, man.
He's looking at you, kid.
Happy birthday.
I wish you double the happiness, double the joy, kahit na double the stress, double the fun, double the everything na magaganda masasaya on your birthday.
I pray that this birthday of yours, the Lord continues to bless you with great health, and of course to your family. God bless you. Happy birthday.
May you have many more birthdays to come. Sa'yo ang araw na ito.
Pa-burger ka naman. Burger.
Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. God bless, and more power.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Burger.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
maganda.
Happy birthday, Bossy Baba Chuchu!
Ay, hindi si Bossing ang may birthday.
Bossy! Happy birthday, Tita Rin! Namwa Chuchu!
Ay, ito, Faith. Faith, sabi mo. Tita Ren.
Hello, Ate Ren. Happy birthday. Prayer ko para sa iyo. Sana lagi kang ingatan ng Panginoon. God bless.
Happy birthday, Ate Ren.
Happy birthday, Ate Ren! Maraming salamat sa
Lengua.
saka sa mga salamin na binigay mo sa amin na sinira ni Faith. More birthdays to come, saka
More lengua to come.
more eyeglasses to come. Thank you!
Ngayong birthday mo, sana ikaw maging masaya at sa darating pang mga araw. Ang wish namin para sa iyo ay walang humpay na ligaya. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita.
I love you.
I love you. Okay.
Tita rin, mami, sino tita yun?
Oh, patakas na video lang to. Ang maingay. Tita, happy birthday. I love you.
Rin, happy birthday. I wish you good health, happiness, and long life. Siyempre, peaceful and abundant life. Text na ako, pinando pa pag video na ako. Actually, kung pinbiyasa mag-video sibuk ang kaya kanini. So, nano maning maging problema or nano maning kailangan mo, at suko mo lagi keni. Basta text mo ko mo, I'm ready to help. Maski makapakanano, ikit mo naman. Basta nagsabi ka, gagawa akong paralan. So, itamo at puri kong payabot kaya ka na masaya ako kang kibaitan, although wala kami kin. Just feel our spirit, because we love you very much. Lalo na ako, kaluguran dakongan. Happy birthday and God bless.
Hello, Ting. Happy birthday.
Tita, happy birthday.
Hindi na alam pa paano kami magsisimula, pero gusto lang namin patiin ka ulit ng maligayang kaarawan.
Happy birthday.
Mula sa amin,
Sa aming mag-ama, Tita. Tita, may wish ako sa'yo. Sana, umaba pa yung buhay. Sobrang haba. Ano sa'yo?
wish ko, sana hindi ka magbago, lagi ka pa rin mabait, at lagi kang nandyan.
Para sa aming dalawa. Ay, hindi. Para sa aming lahat.
Parang ayaw mong sali si mami mo.
Kasali si Mami siya, kaya nga nilahat ka na yun talaga.
Teng, ano handa mo? Sana makarating kami.
Oo nga, Tita. Kaso may project ako kasi ngayon pa. Saka napaalam ko na rin po sa inyo. Kaya habol na lang po kami ni Nani. Ano ko mga kailan ba? Pag sahod, Tita, kami pupunta ng Harrison. Papasyal ka man lang namin ganila. Yan lang, Tita. Happy birthday po ulit. Sana gumaling na yung nararamdaman mo. We wish you more birthday to come. And good health po.
Yun na rin, yung sinabi niya. Sige, Teng. Happy birthday! We love you!
Tita, thank you. We love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Ma. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ma.
Happy birthday, Tita Ren.
Happy birthday, Lola. I love you, Lola. I love you, Ma.
We wish you good health and long life, Tita. Thank you po.
Huwag kang magsasawa sa amin, lalo na pag nangungupit ako, huwag kang magalit, ha? I love you.
Love you po.
Bye-bye, Lola. Kiss muna kay Lola.
Kiss.
Kiss. Ma, see you na, oh. Papabili ka lagi kay Lola mo, ha?
Opo.
Bye-bye. I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Ready, go. Hi, Ma.
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
That's like starting about 22,000 Tiger Beer bottle caps from the ground up. We are nearing the end of your viewing.
Di man lang ako nag-picture dito yan. Kinuha ko yung iPhone. Pinigil ako yung pag-picture.
All the pictures you've wanted to take. Back at ground level, Kodak offers you a chance to take a photo against a backdrop of beautiful panoramic views. Take home a memory of yourself at 110 meters high today. And to complete your experience, visit the Tiger Skybar to...
Hi, Ma. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po.
As we head back to the heavens, interesting facts about the Tiger Sky Tower.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Mama! Ayun mo, happy birthday, Mama. Sabihin mo na. Happy birthday. Yan, sigurado ang inyong handa ay lengwa.
Yes.
Walang kamatayang lengwa. Padala mo kami dito, Ma. And more power sa iyong career. And from behalf of our family reunion, we would like to say happy birthday. And more birthdays to come. Okay?
God bless.
God bless. Godspeed. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye you.
Wuso!
Kayla, happy birthday. Pasensya na kang yan, kaya pamabing ka na akong regalo. Kinalap ko nga din hanggang tao na pwedeng mag-repair ka. Pasensya na ka, oriyanin mo rin akalap ko. Sana maging masaya ka at matula kang gawa ko. Love you. Happy birthday.